Ladies and gentlemen, Gobi is here! Another product review for you! Today, Minima Origin 2019! Let's do it! So this company, the Minima Origin, just released a brand new wallet. They really like my previous review, so they sent me this for free just to show you guys how this looks like. But they didn't pay me to say anything, so let's see what we got. I'm gonna use my GoPro. GoPro, start recording. I love it. So look at this. Optimal review. That's my first free product, and I appreciate that. Stay there, you little piece of... like this. Ooh, got it, got it. Yep. Simple, easy peasy. That's it, baby. Oh fuck. Look at this. Ooh, fuck. That's what I'm talking about. So I need a couple coins and cards, and compared to the previous one. Alright, so on the right hand side is the new Minima wallet. It's very similar to the previous one, nearly the same size. It's a bit thinner, so just have a look on this now. I got 6 cards. I put 2 at the back because here's a quick release section for the cards where I'm using a bit more often. For example, a bank card and an ID, and that's a quick access for both of them, but it's still tight. At the front, boom. I'll put another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notes as well. 120, tenner, and a 5er. And you never know, I'd take a couple coins as well. 1 and 2. I put this here in the front pocket. I just close it. And you're ready to go. With this metal thing here in the front, you can adjust the size. You can make it tight or you can make it loose. It completely depends on you how many cards you want to take with you. But I think this amount should be more than enough. So now I'm gonna take this to a store and make some contactless payment. Let's see how it works. Okay, I'm heading to the supermarket now. I'm gonna try to buy a couple stuff and pay with the card inside of this wallet. So that was a bit surprising because I expected that I can pay by contactless, but I couldn't, so it's just impressive. I'm surprised. This wallet is another masterpiece from this company. Beautifully designed, great materials, and it's just small enough to perfectly fit to my pocket. After a couple days using this, I thought, I'm gonna put some coins in here instead of the notes and cards. All the problems solved. I know you need a wallet like this. I know it. Because, to be honest with you, what I used to see...
How much? Which card, honey? Which card? This one? This one? This card, yeah? Not this one. That one, yeah? This one? Sorry. This one. I pay cash.
But instead of that, contactless. Push! And you're gonna be a sexy macho for all the pretty senoritas. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal review. Goodbye.